welcome back. So today we have a new activity and it stems from the book I read called How Many Snails. So parents and friends, we are going to do a counting game in our home. No need to go purchase anything. We can find these things in our home and we can make a fun game with this parent. So if you have a fruit bowl in your home with, say, apples, oranges, and bananas, your child can count those, count how many bananas, count how many apples, count how many oranges, or they can just count all of the fruits that are in there. So just say if there's 8 fruits, they can count up to 8, and they can see like if it's 3 bananas, 2 oranges, 5 apples. So this would be a counting game for them. And then just say, some of my girls have dolls. If they have dolls lined up, just say if they have them in their room, then they can make that into a fun activity. Let's count how many dolls. Maybe they have 7, 10 or more. They can count that. And then for my boys, and then some of my girls who like trucks, they can line up their trucks and count how many trucks they have, how many blue trucks, yellow trucks, whatever color trucks they have. So that is the fun of the counting of the game. Just like in the story where they were saying that, okay, so the dog with the spots with the tongue out, let's count how many, or like the flower, the yellow flower with the black circle. So this is just like that. So we would count like if they have things in their bags from their activities they could do. As far as blocks in their bags, they can also use the buttons, and just like the story, which I said, this has like a star, and then we have like circles, and then there's a triangle, there's a star. So when they have these bags in their home, parents, they can count how many stars, how many hexagons, octagons, squares, stars they have, or just how many they have. So that is a fun activity, just like in the story. And also if they have popsicle sticks, they can count. They can line these up, or they can just hold them in their hand like I have them, and they can just root count them and just to see how many that they have. That is also a fun activity, and it doesn't require any money or going out purchasing something. And then also for outside time, parents, you can actually take them out in the backyard or the park. They can count like the flowers, how many pink flowers, how many yellow flowers. They can count the clouds in the sky. That would be a fun outdoor activity for them, as well as to count different objects within the home and outside, and also with the things in their bag. So they have 3 different options, or you can use like all of them. And I would love to hear about if you counted everything in your home, outside, in your child's activity bags that they get from school. I would love to hear about the different games you guys played, and which one did they do? Did they just count all of them, or did they just count all the red ones? Did they count all the blue ones? Did they count all the red ones? Did they count the bananas, the apples, the oranges? So I would love to hear about if you count all of them, or just the different colors, or did you do both? So I would love to hear about it, and I'll see you, friends, on the next activity. Bye.